gone forever.
Gone forever.
How blind was I to say goodbye to one so warm and pure.
Everything I lived
Is all I lived.
where can he be?
I had told her
What's left
if
for me?
only I could hold her in these lonely arms once more.
I would gladly give my life, meet death without fear, if for just one moment it could be she, lying there in pieces, falling all apart. Is my kingdom of the heart. Oh, tell me, dear God, where on earth can I go, where the face of my true love won't follow? All the stars